Ublalotak, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best. Cooperate with others. Let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today, we're going to continue talking about the upstairs brain and the downstairs brain. Now, let's think about our own houses for a moment and ask ourselves, what makes it a home? Big part of what makes it a home is the people that are in it. And much like our own homes, the upstairs and downstairs brain have characters that live in it that play a key role in how we think and react to things. Take our downstairs brain. We have several characters that are vital to our safety. First up, we have the alerter, who gives the signal when danger is nearby. Next, we have the angernator, who is prone to responding with anger. Then comes the frightener, who's afraid of everything in order to keep us safe. And leading the downstairs brain team is the character simply known as the boss, who takes all the information from the alerter, angernator, and the frightener and reacts without thinking. The second one of them tells the boss, danger's nearby, he reacts swiftly. And the reaction occurs through some things we've learned about already. And these reactions are, the boss decides to either fight, flight, freeze, or flop. Now, real fast, where have we heard those words fight, flight, freeze, and flop before? Can anyone remember what part of the brain that response comes from? That's right. The amygdala creates our fight or flight response, where we have that fight, flight, freeze, or flop reaction occur when danger's around. And now do we not only know the part of the brain, but now we know the team behind it. Now, we're going to talk about a downstairs brain scenario and when this may have happened in our own lives. Picture this. We find ourselves at the playground. The boss is looking forward to going onto the swings, when all of a sudden, the alerter shows up and with a message and flashes the signal. Boss! Boss, the alerter says. A pack of wild dogs is on the way. Soon, the angernator makes the scene. Boss! Boss, the angernator yells. We have to do something. Last but not least, the frightener arrives and tells the boss, Boss! Boss! Those dogs are simply scary. With all the information from the team, the boss leaps into action without even thinking. Now, with a partner, what action do you think the boss is going to make? So I'll repeat that again. With a partner, what action do you think the boss is going to make? And what would you do, and how do you think your own boss in your lower brain would react? If you want to pause this video so you can talk with your partner, this is a great time to do so. Back to the scene. Having discussed it with your partner, we now reveal what the boss chose. The boss leads the team and swiftly makes a run for it, leaving the swings and the pack of wild dogs far behind. Quick reminder to all our 8th through 12th graders who are looking forward to either playing basketball in January in terms of being able to compete in competitions, or even to our wrestlers for regionals next week and the possibility of state the weekend after. This is Friday, December 2nd. Week 3 is almost over. We're down to 2 weeks until the end of the quarter and first semester. It's only 11 days. Keep working hard to get that 80% attendance in school in your classes, no Fs, and a 2.0 GPA for our elementary students. Remember, it's 80% attendance and good academic standing in class and the ability to listen to your coach and other supervising adults. And a quick reminder to any high school wrestler who's going to be competing in regionals next week, do not forget to fill out your weekly eligibility slip today and turn it in. Make sure you have everything done you need to in your classes. And if not, work hard to get it there and be site eligible. As always, everyone have a fantastic Friday.